Stadium Goods reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're chasing rare sneakers and streetwear, you've likely heard of entity brand Stadium Goods Zero, but most people get this wrong. The high price tag is often part of the resale game, not discount retail. Let's unpack what your money actually gets you. Here's what the site offers. Stadium Goods is a marketplace specializing in rare, limited edition sneakers and streetwear, e.g., new releases of the product entity Churn product, Nike Dunk Low Retro Black or Gold and other high-end pieces. Search, because these items are in demand, pricing often sits above retail, not below. For example, some items listed at hundreds or even thousands of dollars, one pair listed at us, $195. Search, what you get for your money. Authenticity assurance. They highlight authenticity as part of their business. Access to hard-to-find drops and exclusive streetwear. A premium shopping and reselling marketplace. What you give up, you're paying a premium often well above original retail. As one Reddit user put it, they are legit, but honestly, they charge more money. But if you find what you are looking for, Search for international buyers, say in India, currency conversion, shipping, duties, returns may magnify cost. Mixed reviews. Some customers report issues with returns for pricing confusion. Search. Here's how to evaluate. 1. Identify how much the item retailed for originally. 2. On Stadium Goods, check the listed price, compare to other resellers or platform stocks, etc. 3. Add shipping, import duties if outside us. 4. Factor in value of authenticity, exclusivity, and whether you'll peruse it or hold as investment. Most people get this wrong. They think they're buying discounted premium sneakers, but in reality, they're paying resale markups for exclusivity. The surprising truth, getting a deal here may mean finding a price just below other resale platforms, not necessarily a bargain compared to standard retail. In conclusion, if you're a collector, desire exclusivity, and are okay paying for premium access and authenticity, Stadium Goods can deliver value. If you're simply looking for good price on everyday sneakers, you may find better value elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more deep dives into premium resale marketplaces and how to spot smart buys.